Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about the Microban technology that GE added to their front load and top load washers. So here we have a front load, and as you can see, the entire gasket is blue and it says that it's protected with the Microban. So what that is doing is actually going to help kind of control the odor and growth that bacteria can kind of build in that gasket, causing the unit to smell. People come in all the time and they say, I have a front load washer, I want to replace my front load washer, but my number one complaint is that it smells. So what this is going to do is really help eliminate a lot of that odor and bacteria buildup that kind of builds up in this gasket. So whenever you're done washing your clothes and you go to actually close this, what this is doing is now locking that in, and there's no airflow, there's nothing going through it. So any water that's essentially sitting on this door is now dropping into this gasket, and it doesn't have anywhere to go. So by adding this Microban on the gasket, it's really going to help so that that odor doesn't build up, the grease or odor, bacteria, all of that kind of doesn't build up, causing the unit to smell. Now, we still do recommend washing your washer just to kind of help get rid of any kind of buildup that's on the outside of the drum that we can't see. But this Microban technology really is going to help with that. GE now has it in both their front loads and their top loads, which we'll go take a look at here in a minute. And what it's really kind of taken off because, again, no one wants a smelly washer. You don't want to have to constantly leave your door open or, have to kind of crack it. It's now going to allow you to close this and not have to worry about that bacteria buildup. So as you can see, all through here, kind of still, I recommend maybe wiping it out still with like a paper towel, washcloth when you know you're done. But again, it's really going to help with any kind of like growth or anything that you're going to find in that unit. You can also get it on their GE Profile unit, which you will see right here. And also in their top loads. So we're going to go over this way, and you will see it right along the drum here. Now, you don't have too many complaints typically about the top load units, but I do think that it was a great idea for them to add it just to help with any kind of bacteria, odor, buildup, things like that, that the washer can cause. So be sure to check out one of our locations to come take a look at the GE sets, whether it's GE or GE Profile, to find the best set for you.